Achieve precise alignment with ease and efficiency. Today, we're going over the best magnetic level tool from our top picks: magnets, durable construction, and clear vials. Ideal for carpentry, construction, and DIY projects, it simplifies leveling tasks. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. VEVOR Torpedo Magnetic Leveler Tool. The VEVOR Torpedo Magnetic Leveler Tool stands out as a reliable and durable option for both professionals and DIY users who need consistent accuracy in their measurements. Built with a reinforced aluminum frame that features increased wall thickness, this level is designed to handle pressure, resist wear, and maintain its shape over long-term use. What makes it particularly convenient is the fully magnetic design across multiple size options, allowing it to securely attach to metal surfaces for hands-free operation. This feature is especially useful when working on ladders, pipes, or steel structures. The 3 high-precision acrylic vials provide clear visibility with anti-static bubbles, ensuring that readings remain accurate and easy to interpret even in challenging lighting conditions. With the ability to measure horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree angles, it covers most everyday leveling needs without complication. Whether you're installing shelves, aligning frames, or working on construction tasks, this tool offers dependable performance and versatility, making it a practical addition to any toolbox without overcomplicating the experience. Number 2. Johnson Laser Magnetic Leveler Tool. The Johnson Laser Magnetic Leveler Tool combines traditional leveling with modern laser guidance, making it a highly versatile choice for precise alignment tasks. Designed with accuracy in mind, it delivers reliable readings with minimal error, making it suitable for both detailed indoor work and larger outdoor projects. The built-in laser projection extends up to 100 feet, offering clear reference points that simplify alignment over long distances. This is particularly useful when installing fixtures, laying out walls, or aligning structural elements. Its magnetic base ensures a stable grip on metal surfaces, while the V-groove frame allows it to sit securely on pipes and conduits. The aluminum construction enhances durability, ensuring the tool can withstand demanding job site conditions. With multiple vials for measuring level, plumb, and angles, it provides flexibility without needing multiple tools. The addition of a tripod mount further expands its usability, allowing for steady positioning when required. Overall, this leveler is well suited for users who want both traditional and laser-assisted precision in one compact and dependable device. Number 3. Klein Gauge Magnetic Leveler Tool. The Klein Gauge Magnetic Leveler Tool offers a modern, digital approach to leveling that focuses on precision and ease of use. Designed for users who require more than basic bubble readings, this tool features a digital display capable of measuring angles across multiple ranges, including 0 to 90 degrees and full 180-degree measurements. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple installations to more technical alignment tasks. One of its standout features is the pre-programmed pitch settings, which allow users to quickly achieve commonly used angles without manual calculation. The audible alert system adds convenience when the desired angle is reached, reducing the need for constant visual checking. Its bullseye orientation function accurately measures both X and Y axes, offering enhanced control and precision. The auto-rotating display ensures that readings remain clear regardless of how the tool is positioned. Overall, this leveler is a strong choice for those who want accuracy, smart features, and efficiency combined in a compact, easy-to-use design. Number 4. Mecurate 24-inch Magnetic Leveler Tool. The Mecurate 24-inch magnetic leveler tool is a practical solution for users who value digital precision and clear readability in their measuring tools. Unlike traditional levels, it features a large backlit display that shows exact numerical values, removing the guesswork often associated with bubble readings. This makes it especially helpful in low-light environments or when high accuracy is required. With an impressive measurement precision and fine resolution, it delivers reliable results across a variety of angles. The magnetic base allows for secure attachment to metal surfaces, enabling hands-free operation, while the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use with one hand. Additional features such as audible alerts at key angles and an auto-flipping display enhance usability, ensuring that the tool adapts to different working positions. Its durable aluminum alloy construction provides strength and longevity even in demanding conditions. With multiple unit display options available, this leveler caters to different user preferences, making it a versatile and user-friendly choice for both home improvement and professional tasks.
Number 5. IRWIN 48-inch Magnetic Leveler Tool. The IRWIN 48-inch Magnetic Leveler Tool is built for strength, stability, and long-term accuracy, making it a dependable option for serious construction and alignment work. Its dual-chamber design enhances durability and significantly reduces the risk of twisting, ensuring that measurements remain consistent over time. The inclusion of strong rare earth magnets allows the level to firmly attach to steel surfaces, making hands-free work much easier and more efficient. One of its key advantages is the plumb sight feature, which provides clear dual-sided viewing for plumb measurements, helping users achieve precise alignment without awkward positioning. The Magna vials are designed for easy readability, complemented by a wide top read window that improves visibility from different angles. With high accuracy performance, this tool is suitable for a variety of applications, from framing to installing large fixtures. Its solid construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable companion for professionals who need a durable level that can withstand demanding environments while maintaining consistent performance. That wraps up the top 5 best magnetic level tool. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.